welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something that I've done a million times. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and make sure you like this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Today we have another Dia & Co. And if you know anything, or if you've seen any of my past videos about Dia & Co, me and Dia & Co haven't had the greatest relationship in life. The reason I ordered this box was because I still had a $20 credit. I will link the videos. Well, I'll link my last video up above. I don't even think I finished the video, to be honest with you, because I was really upset. I ordered a style box from Dia & Co. and I got it in like a couple days, and I just didn't feel like it was catered to me in any way, shape, or form. I was really disappointed with it. I reached out to them and they ended up just giving me a credit back to my account for that $20. I apparently ordered an active box. I thought I ordered a style box. So this time I was kind of upset about that once I realized what I did. I will take full blame on that. I feel like maybe the website's a little hard for me to navigate. Maybe I just don't understand it 100%. But either way, I take the blame for it. So yeah, me and Dia & Co haven't had the best history. There's another video too where they ended up charging my account like hundreds of dollars because I didn't get my box in a timely manner just due to the mailing system, and instead of making sure it was delivered and all that, they just went ahead and charged my account assuming I kept the items. And if I went in there, you know, it shows that it wasn't even delivered yet. So yeah, it was this huge thing. Regardless of any of that, we have an active style box today from Dia & Co. Now, if anybody is clicking on this video and you don't know what Dia & Co is, Dia & Co is a monthly or bi-monthly or whenever the heck you want it subscription box, and it's supposed to be like a styling type of thing. Dia & Co caters to plus size women, which is a plus. They do sizes 14 up. I think it goes quite far. I'll put it on the screen for you guys now. So Dia & Co works a lot like other subscription boxes. You don't have to get it monthly. You can set up every month when you want to get it. You can set up every 6 months. You can set up every 2 months. However you want to do it. You can personalize your plan. So it's a huge positive on Dia & Co's part. To get a box, it is $20 a month for a styling fee. If you do not keep anything in the box, you send them all their items back, you will be out that $20. But if you do choose to keep at least one item in the box, you will get that $20 fee taken off of that one item. So if you have a $60 item in the box that you want to keep, and you keep that item and you send everything else back, that $60 item now becomes $40. So they will give you that money back. So that is one plus. Now, if you keep everything in the box, they will give you $20 off your entire purchase and an additional 25% off for keeping every single thing in the box. So there's a lot of discounts and deals that you can use when it comes to Dia & Co, which is a great plus also. So without further ado, this is an active box. It's not a regular style box. I wish I would have brought something to open it, which I didn't do. Ta-da! Okay, and for many of you, I know that you know this information already because, like you, I like to look at other Dia & Co videos also. However, if you are new to this, they will send you a prepaid envelope that looks like this. This is folded up, but it's an envelope. All you do, whatever you don't want, you put it in here, you seal it, you toss it in the mailbox, bring it to the post office, however you like to do it. That's simple, right? So the next thing you're going to get is you're going to get like a little card, and then you're going to get a template of the cost of everything. I know you can't really see it that well. Oh, it's sideways. No, it's upside down. You're going to get a template of the cost of everything, and then you're going to get a little card right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go through all this stuff, and then we're going to go over this. That's what it looks like. Ooh. Kind of just do one of these and you see like all the pretty colors that you like. So I got gray, white, green, pink. Love all of these colors. So the first item, again, this is an active box. The first item is a sports bra. This is kind of hard to show. There you go. This is the first item. It's this pink sports bra. It's got this like little detail in the front here where it's open. But what I was paying attention to, there's like these little pockets right here, and you can take the padding out. Like what? It's fairly stretchy. This is the back. It's got adjustable straps. It's from a company called Nola. And this is a size 2X. Ew. So this is Lola Gets. What was this one? This was Nola. The bra was Nola. This one's Lola Gets. Getts. Lola. And it is... don't know what size it is. This is like weird. Let me hold it up first. So it's like it's very soft fabric. Like it's almost like that. It's like, I don't know, I can't explain it. It's velour touch, but not like actual velour. Or velvet, whatever. Everything's stretchy. There's actual holes, which is fine because it's activewear. It's kind of like that sweat material, so it's, you know, it's real soft and nice. It's a little heavy. But we'll see. You gotta try it out, right? Next item. This is from Active Zone Essentials. This is in a 1X. This almost looks or feels and looks like a pajama top. So it's got this like stitching in the sleeves, which is nice, the detail. It's got this little detail on the back of that like TP thing right there in the middle. It's got a V-neck on the front. But yeah, this is almost like pajama feeling, so it's kind of weird. Then we have, this is like just a basic rayon shirt. This is from Mark New York Performance in a 2X. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. It's like got quadruple stitching right here. Oh! This is apparently a short sleeve cold shoulder. I didn't even see that. It's got this detail right here is really cute though. It's got this like, it's almost like a knot right there. That's super cute. This would be nice. Like I would like this detail, this like knot thing on like a regular shirt, not a like a active shirt. So that's this. And then the last piece is Lola Gets again. It's a size 1. And these are leggings. They have no pockets. They have, I'm sorry, they have tiny, tiny pockets right here for like a car key, AirPods, I don't know. One pocket on the left side. Super simple. They're super thick. A lot of this stuff I'm noticing is really thick. I'm assuming that's high quality. I won't know. Right on. See you in a minute, guys. Bye. Okay, guys. So I'm going to just talk through this, so I don't have to do a voiceover. So this is, I have my bra on still, But this is the bra. That's the back side. These are like the little thingies. So it does cut kind of funny. I left my actual bra on, like I said. There is padding in here. It has this like flap that does roll up a little bit. So this is the back side. So this padding has to be fixed. It's all janky. But like I said, you can remove the pads too. So that's kind of nifty. I don't know how easy it is to get them back in. Oh, it's not too bad. This is the green shirt that's got like the cold shoulder with this cute detail. It fits. The thing is that this is like a basic tee, and this isn't something I would go work out in. This is something I would wear. It's not really see-through. You can't really see too much. It's pretty loose. What size is this? This is a 2X. It fits nicely. I wouldn't go work out in this though. And I wouldn't wear this out. Like, it's not like a going out shirt for me or like something. It's just, I don't know, it's not my thing. It was fair. So like I said, when I saw this is almost like a pajama top. I like the stitching that matches like the material. Everything fits nicely. This is a 1X again. So the back covers my bum. I mean, it's loose, it's baggy. Again, just not, I don't think I would work out in this because it's kind of heavy for me. But I also wouldn't wear it out because it's very pajama-esque, like I said. I would actually probably wear this to bed. It's a very big shirt. One, it's like an instant no from the second I put it on. I don't like this fabric or this material. It's like I said, it's like that wiki fabric, but it's super heavy, and I'm already hot in my bedroom, as you can tell, and this is not helping. Air holes and all. I love the design of it. Like, I like how it looks. I love baseball tee look, and I love gray and white. Two of my favorite colors. Actually, my two favorite colors. But I just, number one reason is because if you're doing anything, it's gonna like ride up, and that's already what it's doing. Like, you see it's all bunched up right here. So then you gotta pull it down, and then you're working out, and it's back up again. Like, I can't deal with that stuff. I can't deal with that stress. It's super cute though. Like, I do love it. But I can't. I think I just need to get the style box because everything else is stressing me out. Okay, so these are the bottoms. like I said, there's a pocket right here. You can put some stuff in. They fit fine. You guys have a better visual of what I have right now, other than what I have right now. But this is them. They feel okay. They're a little heavy. I feel like I could probably work out with them on, with the exception of them feeling heavy. Through everything really quick. So the hydrangea print tee says coral charcoal gray. Oh, so that's like the flower, that's the pajama top one I said. That's $28. The baseball tee is $61, which is insane. The capri tights are $77. Makes sense because they're capri tights. I mean, because they're pants. What? Anyway. Sumac split sleeve top. So it's that turquoise top at the shoulder. It's $46. It's a little excessive. And the bra is $40. And everything grand total $252. If you take off the styling fee, it's $20. If you take off the 25%, if I buy everything, it's taking off another $63. So all in all, it would be $169, not including sales tax. So I'm going to think about it for the rest of today. I may keep the bra, possibly, because I've kind of been looking for a bra that's comfortable, like a sports bra that's comfortable. It would only be $20 if I kept it, so it's not too bad. The capris or the tights, $77. I would still be paying $57 plus tax. I just feel like paying $60 for a pair of leggings essentially is kind of ridiculous. So I probably won't be getting those. T-shirts, I'm not really too enthused about any of them. The only one I kind of like is the hydrangea print one, which is the pink one. And again, more or less just to sleep in, not really to actually like, you know, do anything in. But we'll see what happens. I'll probably end up keeping the bra though. I'll let you guys know in my next video, my next vlog, whenever that'll be. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. That's what I got in my Dia & Co Active Box, my first one. So if you want a chance and you want to have the same experience, click the link down below, and they will get you started. It's definitely worth it, I would say, just to see what's out there, to see what options are available. I never would have seen like that not cap sleeve if my camera is going to go out. But anyway, I never would have seen that if I didn't order this box. So, okay, so it did go off on me. So there are perks to this also, you know, like you can see a different style of things and different things that you may not see normally if you go to the same places or you see the same type of, you know, stuff and style wherever you're at. I don't know why I chose to make the camera angle like this. But I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Again, if you're interested, there is a link below for you to click on. It's $20, like I said, your first time. It's a pretty good deal. It's like $300 worth of merchandise for $150 almost. I did totally rounding numbers, but it's about what you like and what you're into. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.